Imagine a world where finding your passion is as simple as asking a question. A world where technology understands your interests, skills, and personality.
Yes.
Suggesting fulfilling career paths or hobbies perfectly aligned with who you are. In 2025, this world becomes a reality as AI takes us on a journey to self-discovery like never before. Join me as we explore how AI will help us uncover our passions and lead us to a future filled with purpose and excitement. As we stand on the brink of 2025, the possibilities of artificial intelligence are expanding at an unprecedented rate. AI is no longer a distant futuristic concept. It's here, it's growing, and it's changing the way we live, work, and dream. In this dynamic landscape, one of the most profound impacts of AI will be its ability to help us discover our passions. Think back to those moments when you felt truly passionate about something, completely absorbed and filled with a sense of purpose and excitement. Now imagine if there was a way to tap into these moments more frequently, to find activities that ignite your curiosity and bring you joy. Enter the AI-powered tools of 2025. Designed to be your personal compass on this journey of self-discovery, these advanced tools utilize cutting-edge algorithms to analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and connections that reveal your unique interests, skills, and personality traits. They dive deep into your online activity, exploring your social media posts, your browsing history, and your interactions to uncover what truly captures your attention. Imagine having a digital companion that learns from your every move online, understanding your likes, your dislikes, and your moments of engagement. This digital ally becomes your personal matchmaker, connecting you with potential career paths or hobbies that resonate with your authentic self. But the magic doesn't stop there. AI takes it a step further by analyzing industry trends, job market demands, and skill sets to provide you with a realistic and data-driven perspective on your options. It bridges the gap between your passions and the practicalities of the real world, suggesting career paths with growth potential and aligning your interests with viable opportunities. To experience the power of a AI-driven passion discovery firsthand, let me introduce you to some remarkable tools available today that offer a glimpse into the future of self-discovery. Our first tool is an AI-powered platform that helps users discover their passions by analyzing their online activity and providing personalized suggestions based on their interests and skills. Simply put, it's like having a personal coach that guides you towards the activities you'll love. Users can take interactive quizzes and personality assessments to delve deeper into their passions and gain a better understanding of themselves. And with a large database of career paths and hobbies, users can explore endless possibilities and make informed decisions about their future. Our second tool is another AI-powered platform that matches users with their ideal career paths based on their skills, interests, and personality traits. This platform goes beyond traditional career advice by leveraging AI to provide personalized recommendations and resources for professional growth. With features such as career exploration tools, resume builders, and interview preparation resources, users can take their career to the next level. While these tools provide a glimpse into the future of passion discovery, it's important to note that they are just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated and personalized tools that cater to the unique needs of each individual. In 2025, AI takes our passion discovery journey even further by providing us with hyper-personalized guidance and support. Imagine having a virtual mentor who understands your strengths, challenges, and aspirations, always ready to offer advice and encouragement. AI-driven coaching platforms leverage advanced algorithms and natural language processing to tailor coaching sessions to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to pivot your career, explore a new hobby, or simply gain clarity on your passions, these platforms have you covered. Through interactive exercises, personalized feedback, and continuous support, you'll be guided every step of the way. But the benefits don't stop there. AI-driven coaching platforms also connect you with a community of like-minded individuals on similar journeys of self-discovery. You'll have the opportunity to share your experiences, seek advice, and find inspiration in others. This sense of community and belonging can be invaluable as you navigate the twists and turns of your passion discovery journey. The power of AI extends beyond just suggesting career paths or hobbies. In 2025, AI-powered platforms will curate immersive experiences that allow you to sample different fields and activities. Imagine attending virtual workshops, participating in simulated work environments, or even shadowing professionals in their field. These immersive experiences provide a first-hand look into various industries and professions, helping you make well-informed decisions about your future. For instance, you can virtually shadow a software developer for a day, experiencing the day-to-day tasks and responsibilities of the role. Or you can participate in a simulated marketing campaign, putting your creativity and strategic thinking to the test. These AI-powered simulations offer a unique opportunity to explore your passions in an interactive and engaging way. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of AI-driven passion discovery in 2025 is the rise of personalized learning experiences. Imagine having a customized learning plan that caters to your unique needs, interests, and learning style. AI-powered platforms can create such plans, suggesting courses, mentors, and resources that align with your passions and goals. Take, for example, someone who wants to pursue a career in digital marketing. An AI-driven platform can create a personalized learning plan that includes courses on SEO, social media marketing, and content marketing, as well as recommend relevant industry events and networking opportunities. This level of personalization ensures that you receive a focused and effective learning experience that maximizes your chances of success. Furthermore, AI-powered platforms can track your progress, provide feedback, and adjust your learning plan as needed, making it a truly adaptive and supportive learning experience. From personalized coaching and immersive experiences to customized learning plans, the possibilities are truly endless. AI is not just a technological advancement. It's a catalyst for self-discovery and personal growth. It empowers us to explore our interests, develop our skills, and pursue the activities that bring us the most joy. So as we stand on the cusp of this AI-driven revolution, let us embrace the opportunities that lie ahead. Together, let's navigate the exciting world of 2025, where AI and passion unite to create a future filled with purpose and excitement. Now, my curious friend, it's time to take action. Don't wait any longer to start your journey towards discovering your passions. Take the first step today. Pick up that book you've been eyeing. Reach out to that friend in the field you're interested in, or sign up for that online course that sparks your curiosity. Trust me, the journey itself will be filled with exciting discoveries and personal growth. You might just surprise yourself with what you're capable of. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. We'd love to hear your thoughts. So drop a comment below and let us know what other topics you'd like to see us cover in the future. And hey, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.